Traditional vacuums toss dirt, germs, and bacteria right back into the air you breathe. It's an allergy nightmare. And they lose suction as they fill up. The solution is Serena, and the difference is water. Serena is the most advanced 8-in-1 cleaning system available, using water and HEPA filtration to guarantee removal of pollen, dust mites, pet dander, bacteria, and other allergens. Once in the water, nothing escapes.
With my allergies, I tried every vacuum in the past 30 years. Nothing worked before Serena.
No job is too tough. Serena never loses suction or the ability to pick up what most vacuums leave behind. Serena even cleans up wet messes like eggs on your kitchen floor, muddy footprints, spilled cereal, pet puddles, even broken glass and red wine. When you're done, just rinse the hose clean. Serena can even remove billions of microscopic dust mites that live in your bed and pet hair on your floors and couches.
I have dogs, and they shed a lot. Serena is the only vacuum that never leaves even one hair behind. I also add the air freshener to the water when I clean. My house smells amazing.
You may think your carpets are clean, so put Serena to the test. If you're not amazed at what your old vacuum left behind, we'll honor a 30-day money-back guarantee. Only Serena has all these industry certifications.
Be one of the first 100 buyers, and you'll also receive tools to blow up beds and balloons, our 4-pack air freshener, deodorizer, a turbo brush, and free shipping. That's over a $249 value. Plus, act now and you'll receive a 10-year warranty. Serena, changing the way you clean.